Hey everyone, it's SoleilTech, and today we're taking a look at the Canva stream. Now, I made a video a little while ago about how I create my YouTube video thumbnails in this program. The link to that video will be in the description if you want to check it out, just an overall view of how Canva works for designing things. But today, I'm showing you a new feature they have called the stream, which is basically a way to share your Canva creations with the rest of the Canva community. And immediately what struck me about this feature is that it looks just like Pinterest, and that's not a bad thing. Pinterest has a great design, but that's what I immediately noticed. It has the same kind of layout, the likes work the same way. Of course, there's no repins or anything like that, but I can go through what other people have posted. I can see the username of the person that's posted this creation. We're just going to use this one as an example. T Carolina 23 has posted this, Liposana Blanca. I can like this post. I can write a comment. I'm not going to post this, but I can just put in a comment there, for example, and I press enter to share it, my comment. I can go to this person's profile to see what else they've publicly shared. You can follow people and have them follow you back, just like on Pinterest or any other social network. I see that this person has one other creation I can look at. It's pretty new. I just found it last week, actually. But as you can see, the Canva community is really getting into this feature, and I actually haven't. I'm going to have to create some new stuff that's worth sharing. And one thing I also noticed, the social features have been integrated into the actual design process. So say I've created something for Instagram. This is a new template they've added. Say I want something for Instagram that I also want to share on the Canva stream. Now you'll see up here they've actually changed some things around in the overall UI as well. But now you'll see that I can describe and tag my creation. I can mark it as private or public. Private means I can only see it within my own experience within my own profile, and public means it'll be available to view in the Canva stream, and I can tag it just like I can on Pinterest, Tumblr, any other social network. And then instead of from Joe and Zoe, I can put from SoleilTech. And of course, you can still make changes just like you can with any other template. So when I hit share, I can of course share it on Facebook or Twitter, email it to someone, and I can change this from private to public, and it'll ask me to describe this. I can just say, I'm using this as an example, so I'm going to take it down soon after. And I can add some hashtags to my post. It is saving. It is now saved and it is public. As you can see, I can go through and start liking my own post just like I can on other social networks. Now all my new designs that I've published show up on my little profile that everyone now has. And to get to the profile, you just go over to your little avatar over here next to your username and click your profile. Now you'll get notifications when people like your post or comment on them, just like on Pinterest or any other social network. I can promote my profile on Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn. I'm not going to do that, however. And of course, I can add my own website, profile picture, or where I'm located. I can see my own design here. It's making a little preview for me. This setup actually reminds me of Facebook, so seems like, I don't want to really accuse them of Canva of anything, but it seems like they're just grabbing little pieces of other social media network designs, and they're definitely making it their own. I'm not saying that they're stealing anything. Their overall design reminds me of Pinterest. I'm just noticing little things like that. And if it's your image, you can go ahead and edit it from where you are. But I'm going to keep this the way it is. Of course, like I said, you can like your own post, but you won't get a notification. You can leave a comment, just like you can anywhere else. And then if you decide that you do not want your design to be public anymore, you just mark it back to private. And that is pretty much it. Let me know if you want to see any other Canva related videos. I'm thinking about making one about how I create my end card, the image that you're going to see next at the end of this video. And of course, more tutorials, reviews, and other videos coming soon. Please subscribe so you don't miss them. Like this video if it helped you out or you just learned something. I will catch you next time. Goodbye. Because I still have easy access to the buttons on the back. Here is where the volume keys go on the LG G3, as well as the power button there in the middle.